Hi students, in this lecture today we are going to talk about the topic that is affixes. Let's learn about it, that what is affixes. Affix is the word which is used to describe prefixes and suffixes. Shortly we can say that affix has two things. Number one is prefix and second thing is suffix. Means in affixes there are two things, only these two things, prefix and suffix. So what is prefix? Prefix is a word or a part of a word that is placed at the beginning. Remember this point, that prefix is placed at the beginning of a word to change its meaning, or we can say just to make new words we take the help of prefix and suffixes. For example, if we add bi means by with the word cycle, so it becomes bicycle. In the same way, the word is honest and we add just this in the start, so it becomes dishonest. It means the meanings. Honest means positive meaning, dishonest means it gives some kind of negative meaning. So whenever we add prefixes in the root words or in the main words, it becomes a new word with a new meaning. In the same way, when we add in to the main word that is visible, it gives us different meaning and it is completely a new word. So for making new words, we have to use prefixes and suffixes. Next we have suffix. Suffix is a word or a part of a word that is placed at the end of the word to change its meaning and to make a new word. Now the main word is fix and we have just added the word able. Here if I write fix plus able. Now fix is something different. When we added this suffix able, it becomes fixable and it gives us complete different meaning. Second, the word is teach and we have added er, it becomes a teacher. In the same way, the word is beauty and we have added ful to make a new word like beautiful. Here we have more examples and more explanation about affixes. Simply, group of letters attached before and after the root word. Root word means main word. Now this is the word accept is a root word, means we can say this is the basic word. Now how can we add suffix and prefix in that? Un, this one, un is prefix because it is used in the start of the word. In the same way, able, this is also what? This is suffix which is used at the end of the word. So in affixation or in the process of when we use prefix and suffix, if we talk about prefix, we add letters or the unit of grammar and the start of the root word, or we can also add some unit or the letters at the end of that root word to make a new word. In the same way, this un is prefix and able word, this is suffix. So it becomes a new word like unacceptable. We have added un as prefix, able as suffix, and accept was a root word. So in this way we can just make new words by adding prefixes and suffixes in the words. Here we have the list of very common prefixes. For suppose, what is the meaning of re? It means again. We have added rewrite. Example is that. In the same way, the word un means not, unkind. Pre means before, like pre-made. Dis means not or opposite to something, like dishonest. I am means not or opposite of something, like impolite. Non means not, like nonsense. And the last word is mis, means wrong or bad, misbehave. In this way, when we add different kind of prefixes to make new words, we will have different meanings as well. Last slide is of the list of suffixes. Now ly is used as the suffix, ment, meant is also used as suffix. In the same way, less, ness and full, and we all have these words with ending with ly, like lonely, angrily, quickly, sadly. In the same way, the words ending with meant, like excitement, refreshment, disappointment, movement. In the same way, less, les, useless, pointless, endless, baseless. So these all are the examples of suffixes which are used at the end of the word to make a new word and to get the different meaning. So in this way you can make different kind of words by adding prefixes and suffixes. Thank you for listening.